everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so sorry that I'm in the same outfit, but I am filming these videos back to back, and it's very important to film these videos because I wanted you guys to know, because this video is very close to my heart. This is something, my recent favorite lip colors that I am obsessed nowadays, and I thought without that I cannot do. Now the bag which is lying over here, I have recently uploaded a video about my favorite bag collection, updated bags collection. So if you missed it, do not forget to check that video out. I think by this time the video will be uploaded. If not, then please do watch out that, because that was very close to my heart. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Follow me on Instagram, that is for sure, because you'll get a lot of updates. I do not post a lot of reels, I agree, but I will be doing it very soon. So follow me there on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, so you can definitely go ahead and check those links out. And let's begin the video. What are we waiting for? So I will be just showing you the 4 colors that I am recently obsessed, like obsessed. Out of which 2 are Huda Beauty. They are not the original Huda Beauty, but I recently went to a store and I loved it. This is Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lip Gloss Lipstick. So this is how the packaging is. So the upper part is the full color. It is not a matte. The color which I'm wearing is this. I'll give you a real close pic of it. The color that I'm wearing right now is this color. So this is, there is no shade because definitely this is not the original one. And also at the down part it comes with the matte lip gloss, which is again the same color. So it is a 2-in-1, but I know it's not the original one. But let me talk about the formulation. It is super smooth, it doesn't dry out your lips. So this is not a matte. The matte one is this lip gloss, which they say is a lip gloss, but it's a complete matte liquid lipstick. So this is currently my favorite. It looks different here, but yeah, the color is this. I think I paid $150 for this, but little you bargain, you can definitely come down to $130 or $140. The next lip color is again this one. I'll give you a swatch of it because okay, so this is what it is. It's a pure nudish peach color. So at the down it will be this will be completely mattifying, and definitely above this is something this color. This is a peachy nude. It looks like red, but no, it is a peachy nude. It is exactly the color that you are seeing over here. So both of these are presently my favorite. The next is from Swiss Beauty. This is the original one. Swiss Beauty Matte Lip Ultra Smooth Liquid Lipstick. I am in the shade Grape Wine. So this is a kind of wine, Grape Wine 05. I think you will get this in purple.com, Purple, Nykaa, yeah, both you will get it. Let me give you a swatch. It is such a pretty shade. It's a complete wine shade. I can't tell you how pretty this is. Not nudish, but again, after it dries off, it's a complete matte. Looks fabulous. I can't tell you how fabulous this looks. Next is from Malio. This is again a nude one. This is a waterproof transfer lipstick, and I am in the shade Copper Rust. The shade number is 621. Yes, the shade number is 621. You can also get this in purple, and it's again a beautiful brown shade. Again very nudish, nothing. So it's again a nudish shade, and I really love this. Okay, let me show this. So I really am obsessed with all these 4, out of which 3 are nudes and the other one is the wine colors. I am really obsessed with all the 4 lip shades. They are super affordable. Everything is under 200 rupees. This one was 199, but again I think I got it in the offer in purple. This Swiss Beauty grape wine, I got it for like 155 change, and this Malio is like 150 or 145. I think this also you're gonna get this in purple. Yeah, purple. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope all the 4 lip shades is something which I found supremely obsessed of, and I cannot survive at least 4 or 5 months without these because I'm in love with them. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope this video was a little helpful, and I hope you loved all the 4 colors because they are supremely good. I can't tell you how beautiful these shades look, and they are. So yeah, many of you guys actually asked me on Instagram which lip color you are using. So whatever colors you are gonna watch me on Instagram, I think will be one among them, even in Facebook as well. So that's pretty much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and I love you. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.